how to right click on a Chromebook. In this video, I'm going to show you two different methods that you can use to easily right click on your Chromebook. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first and easiest way to right click is going to be to use the touchpad here. And all I need to do is tap the touchpad with two fingers at the same time. So if I do that, it will right click. One finger is going to be the left click and two fingers is right click, and that'll bring up a menu. Now, if you're having trouble right clicking on the touchpad, you can also use the keyboard by holding down the Alt key on the keyboard of your Chromebook and then just single tapping the touchpad, and that will right click as well. If that doesn't work for you, it might be the settings on your Chromebook. So we can easily fix that by going down and selecting the battery icon, then select the gear. And in the settings here, go to device and then go to touchpad. Now you'll see use touchpad and keyboard to right click, select that. And if it's currently to disabled, change it to Alt plus click, or it might even be search plus click. So once you do that, you can hold down the Alt button and click, and it will right click for you. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.